Okay, guys, so we went shopping, and I know I said we were trying not to shop, but we went shopping, but we didn't buy it ourselves. It's a Christmas haul, okay? So I hope you guys are settled in because we have a 2025 Christmas haul. Welcome back, my shopaholics, and if you're new here, I am BuyMeTheMall, and if you're like me and can't stay out of those stores, you've come to the right place. I buy and review the things that I love so that you don't have to, and if those things speak to you, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post weekly, and subscribing ensures that you don't miss a post, okay, guys? So we did do a little bit of damage, okay? But it was all gifts and all great gifts. So for the Christmas holiday, and you know what? New Year. Do you guys see my new setup? Do you guys like it? Should I do a tour of, I just wanted my bags to be more present. I put the shoes down here, which you guys can't see, but the shoe boxes and shoes are like kind of at the bottom. And a little different. Did you guys notice or not really? You guys let me know, okay? But yes, so we did have an amazing Christmas and received some wonderful gifts. So I just wanted to go through with you guys on what we received for 2025 Christmas, okay? So starting off strong, I'm gonna pull this out. So I did get a lot of like dresses. I got like, I don't even know. Maybe like 4 or 5 dresses that I did receive, but I'm going to be wearing those for my birthday. So you guys will see those items later. But I did also get new AirPods, which I was in dire need of. And oh my gosh, these last so long. Y'all, I was on like the first generation. I don't even know. These are the 3rd generation, I guess. But I was still on the 1st generation. And like only one ear worked. It was real like, only one ear worked, and then it will only work for like a little bit. Like one of these can work literally, I can have it in all day and not need to get the other one. Like it just doesn't die. I love this for me, and I really love this gift. Another really amazing gift that I received were these Gucci Flora perfumes in like the little travel sizes. So I have the big size perfume, but of course I do travel a lot. So these were an amazing, unexpected gift that I received because I'm actually able to travel with these little babies and put them in like my makeup. I like to like put them in my makeup bag. And like sometimes when I travel now, I really use like the little testers and take, but this is going to be such an amazing gift, and it's going to have me smelling delicious. I love these Gucci's. Tell me which one is your favorite if you have it or if you use the Gucci Flora scents. I love them. I think the pink might be my favorite, but you guys let me know which one is yours. Next up, we got some shoes. I've been getting a lot of shoes, guys. So we got some Christian Louboutin shoes, and so if you guys did not watch my previous video of what I basically got myself, a little haul of what I got myself before Christmas, these were actually a nice surprise because I actually had just purchased myself the white Miss Z mules, and now I have the black Miss Z mules to go with them. Like, how cute. And of course they have the forever soles, which I love. And I actually wore the white Miss Z mules on New Year's, and they are so comfortable. Like, they were so comfortable, easy to wear, very cute. Like, I legit love them. And yeah, now I have this black pair to match in the 100mm, and I just am so happy. This was so unexpected as well, but very, very happy that I have them. Okay, let's put this back together, and then we'll say what we have up next. So I will be traveling for my birthday this year. So like I said, I got a bunch of dresses, but I really got those dresses and asked for those dresses because I'll be traveling to Greece for my birthday. And this was another gift that I asked for that I will be wearing in Greece as well. But I'm going to show it to you guys because it's cute and I love it. And you guys can see this. It's not the major, big bang of the show, but it's from Fendi. Okay, and like I said, I am going to grease, so this will be perfect because it is a Fendi swimsuit. So I got the one piece, and I don't know, I tend to love one pieces, especially just how they fit my body. And I don't know, for some reason, like, you would think I would love a two-piece, and two pieces are cool, but I just feel like one pieces give me more shape. You know, it gets me right in a swimsuit. So yeah, I got this one and I really love it. And it actually is reversible. I don't know if I'll ever wear it on this side, but if I did want to wear it on the side, I could. And I don't know if you can see right here is where it says like Fendi Roma, but I will probably mainly wear it on the side with the monogram. But yeah, and it has a low back, so loving that. I am very excited to wear this one, and I was so excited to receive this one. And it comes in this little cute dust bag. Boop. So that was a very nice surprise. And then these next two were very much surprises. So got some Chanel. You guys know I love Chanel. Okay, so I'm gonna insert a picture. So I did get, well, first we're gonna talk about these. So I got some this little box. Oops, giving me a hard time. Of course, I opened these already, so it's kind of like, you know, not really there. But I received these little earrings. These are so cute, guys. Let me take them out. And I also have worn these already. I'll insert a picture. I wore these on New Year's because I was just so pressed, guys. But I received these little earrings, these Chanel earrings. They're so cute. They're a moment. They have all the little, you know, rhinestones in them. And in the different, like, they have some up here and then some right here. Like, they're just so cute and such a moment to me. I love them. And so I received this necklace, and I'm going to insert a picture first, but I felt like I really wanted, I already had my mind on the necklace that I was going to buy myself. So when I received that necklace, I loved it, but I feel like it was definitely more of a dressier vibe, and I would be able to wear this one that I originally wanted more and have be able to dress it up or dress it down. So I went actually and exchanged it for this one. And you guys tell me what you think. So I exchanged it for this beauty. I just love her so much to me. She's so cute. So she has the rhinestones in the CCs. And then this is like the champagne gold. So it doesn't appear as gold, but it actually is a gold right here and then silver here. And it's so cute. It has the dangling CC on the back. And also, I like this one too because if I did want to dress it up, I could wear it like this, you know, in this manner. But if I didn't, I can kind of change it and just wear it on the plain side with no CC showing. And still, you know, it's a vibe. It's very cute. So this is so cute to me. I actually adore this necklace. Tell me what you think. Would you have changed it for this necklace, or would you have kept the original necklace that I showed you? Let me know, because I was really contemplating because I loved the original necklace. It just gave me a more dressier, more like, you know, I'm going somewhere all the time. And this one, I felt like I could dress it up, dress it down, and it would still be just so cute. So let me know which one you would have gotten and which one do you love. Out of all the gifts that I received, which one is your favorite? Let me know and tell me, what did you get for Christmas, or what was on your Christmas wish list? Did you get it? Are you, you know, buying it yourself, or are you buying, you know, did someone else buy it for you? How did your Christmas go? I hope you guys all had a blessed Christmas, as did I. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post weekly, and subscribing ensures that you don't miss a post. And as always, I always post the shorts of the day. So go ahead and make sure you check out that short. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, my shopaholics.